Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. So I'm gonna tell you guys a secret that I've not told anybody yet. So the only person that knows that this is going to happen is my sister. By the time that I'm posting this one and you guys are watching it, the surprise have probably transpired already. I didn't want to post this right before the surprise because God forbid my mom watches this video and she finds out about the surprise. So the surprise is we are going to the Philippines for almost a month and we have not told my mom. So the surprise is actually for her. She doesn't know that we are going to be going home to the Philippines. She thought that we're going to be going home by 2019. She's doing a countdown and she feels like it's still a while before we go home and see them again. So that is the surprise. And with that, I have bought a few things to bring with me for the trip to the Philippines. We are going to be there for a little over 4 weeks. And I bought some things that I could definitely use when I go there. These are not really necessities, but these are just some of my quirks that I want to have when I go there and stuff like that. I'm not going to be showing you guys what I'm going to give to them as pasalubong. For my Filipino viewers, you guys know what pasalubong is. But for those who don't understand what pasalubong is, that means like the treats that you bring to your family when you come visit. So those are what pasalubongs are. I've got like a ton of pasalubong for them. From food to clothes to shoes, what have you. I have them makeups, skincare, and all other stuff that I probably haven't mentioned. But yeah, I have a ton of that. I'm not gonna be showing you guys that because that is a whole other video just for that one. So today, while I film this one, we are exactly 9 days away from our trip. I have 6 luggages to pack. I have packed 4 already and I have 2 boxes to fill as well. So I've got a lot of packing to do for the next couple of days. So this is probably the last video that I'm gonna be filming right before we go for our trip. I'm not sure exactly if I'll be able to vlog because I'm not really that good vlogging and getting embarrassed talking to myself in videos in public. So we'll see if I'll be able to do that, but I will definitely try to share with you guys places that we're going and stuff like that. So before we go to a whole different topic, like I said, this video is going to be some of the stuff that I wanted to bring to the Philippines and I wanted to unbox it to you guys and show you what I have. It's by no means a lot. It's just a couple of stuff that I have bought for this trip. So first is, if you watch my gifts that I got for Christmas, you knew that I received this one for Christmas from my family, and also they included a pack of the film. There's 80 inside this box, so I bought another 80, so now I have 2. I don't know exactly if I'm gonna be bringing both of these, but I'm definitely bringing at least 1 box for this trip to the Philippines. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be unboxing this one in the video. I'm gonna try it out for the first time. I've never used Polaroids, all this stuff before, so this is gonna be the first time. I'm gonna see if I can use it with you guys. Not sure if this uses batteries, if there's batteries inside or whatnot, but we'll see if we can try this out in the video. Aside from this unboxing, I am going to be unboxing a KORS accessory that I bought for my camera. So if you guys didn't know, KORS actually has their own, I'm not sure if it's Fujifilm as well, but they have their own camera that they sell in their website. But I bought an accessory that I got for my Fujifilm Insta-X Mini 7. This is not open yet, so I'm gonna try to open this up. So here is what's inside. There are 2 KORS items that I bought. They are just some accessories that I got. Let me open this up. This is a luggage tag that I bought from them. I wasn't really thinking of buying this one, but when I looked at their sale items, I saw that they had this color on sale. I don't really need a luggage tag because pretty much all of our bags have their own luggage tags already. But I figured with my luggage of this same color, I can actually use this one, and I had this one hot stamped. So we shall see how good their hot stamping is. So here is the luggage tag. It is in the color purple, and I don't see the price in here, but I think I got this one for like less than $20. I think 16. Let me check the receipt. I got this one for $18. So this is the Jet Set Travel Saffiano leather luggage tag. So their luggage tag has this snap, and then you can write your name or the label there, and their hot stamping. The hot stamping isn't really too bad. I don't really go by the name Liz, but in my first hot stamped item with Louis Vuitton, which is my 6-key holder, I did this one as well. I didn't want to put my initials. I usually go by Beth, but I had the Liz put in here. So this is definitely an exact match to the color of my luggage. So I'm gonna put this one in the luggage that I have for my clothes. So the next one is the accessory that I got for my Fujifilm Insta-X Mini. So it came in this box. So here is the box. And here is the item. As you can see, it is a chain. You see the chain there. And it says chain reaction. Chain reaction. This fabulous and functional chain shoulder strap is specially designed to fit your Michael Kors Fujifilm Insta-X camera. Just attach the clips at either end of the chain to the sides of the camera. Picture perfect glamour. So earlier I said I didn't know what camera Michael Kors had, so it is confirmed they actually have the same exact camera that I have. So let us go right ahead and open this up and try it on. So here is the chain. The chain is really nice. It has a small metal tab that says here Michael Kors. Although the clasp doesn't say anything, there's no engraving or anything. The chain has a decent weight. So let me go ahead and try to open this. So let me go ahead and call my husband to help me open this one, and I'll be right back. So my husband has helped me out with taking the camera. I really love the color of this one. It's like a pastel teal or turquoise. I'm not really sure what color this is, but that, and it came with some other stuff. The awesome thing about this is it came with a rainbow cartridge, a pack of 10 rainbow film. This is so awesome. I also had my husband open up the film that I had. I didn't have him open the other one. I just had him open one of the packs that we have. So this one comes with 80 film, and the inside has 8-10 pack of film. So I'm gonna try this out. I don't think I'll be able to show you guys how to use this one, but maybe later on, once we get back from the Philippines, I'll show you some pictures I've actually taken. Maybe give you guys a review on how I like this one. But right now, I wanted to show you guys the camera with the new chain. So I love it. I can put this one just down my neck like so, or I can put it on the side like that, or I can even just put this one inside my bag as well. I really love this chain that I got from Michael Kors. Although you can actually buy some generic chains. The ones that I bought for my mini pochette, I got it off of eBay for like $3 something, so you can just do that. And the camera actually comes with rings that you can put on this part here, so you can just put the ring in and you can just use whatever chain that you have that you want to use. So yeah, this is the camera and the chain that I got. I'll have to read the manual and see how to use this one, how to put the cartridge in, and I have yet to put the batteries inside of it as well. So let's go ahead with two other things that I got for my trip to the Philippines. So I bought a couple of TOMS items that I'm considering using to the Philippines. If you guys have seen my TOMS shoes haul, I have like a ton of TOMS shoes that I have not used yet, but I've actually bought a few more since then, and I'm gonna be showing you 2 that I'm considering wearing for this trip. 2 more TOMS shoes. So this one is another slip-on, but this one is a sneaker. So this is my first sneakers from TOMS. Let me show you the slip-on first. So here you can see it says here, toffee, wool, faux, shearling. The material of the shoes is wool, so it is very soft. And the inside, you guys, has shearling. This is not real shearling, but it's faux shearling. It's so soft and very comfortable to wear. So I'm trying to contemplate if I should use this one in the plane, which is going to be very comfortable to walk around the airport. We're going to be in the plane for a while, and we have a layover in Korea. So this is going to be nice and comfortable. So the next one is the sneakers. I'm actually very excited for this one. This is my first sneakers from TOMS, and it is beyond amazing. I love those sneakers that forms through your feet, and it doesn't look bulky. It doesn't, I don't know. I'm not really a sneakers person, but with this one I actually fell in love with this. I wasn't sure exactly how this was gonna look on me, but when I got it and I tried it on, it actually was perfect. It was the perfect look that I wanted for a sneaker. It is the Del Rey sneakers. It's natural metallic linen, and I got the 5.5. Hopefully this is gonna stretch a little bit. It's not really tight, but it's a little snug on me. Let me show you guys the sneakers. So here is the sneakers. It is really nice. I've read some reviews. People were saying it doesn't have arch support and stuff like that. It wasn't really that bad when I tried this on. It was very comfortable. So like I said earlier, I don't like wearing sneakers, and it also goes without saying that I don't like laces on my shoes. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this. It is a lacing system, and the brand is Hickeys. So you don't have to worry about lacing your shoes, unlacing your shoes. You just put that on and it stays there for you. There's a lot of ways of how you can do your lacing using Hickeys, but that is how I did mine, and I didn't do it on the last part so it doesn't feel really snug. It would be easier for me to go in and out of my sneakers. If you guys are curious, this is the Hickeys that I bought. If you Google Hickeys, you will be able to find where you can get it. They have their own website, and they have it in Amazon too. So if you have Amazon Prime, you can just buy it there and with no shipping fees. Whereas if you get this in the Hickeys website, you'll have to pay for shipping unless you buy a couple of them, and then they give you free shipping and stuff like that. So do check it out if you don't like lacing your shoes. This is perfect for kids. I love using this one with my boys. So this is the sneakers that I bought. I feel like I want to wear this one for the airport more than the slip-ons, but we shall see. And the last one that I'm going to be showing you guys is another TOMS item. I have a couple of these ones in different brands, and I love using this one when you're going on small trips, or you're going to the beach, or you're going to a water park and whatnot. So here it is. It is a tote. So let me take it out of the bag. It is a TOMS tote. I can fit this on my shoulder, but it's a little snug, but I can put it in the crook of my arm. But I do not have to worry about that, because this actually comes with a non-removable strap. I can use it as a cross body, or I can use it as a shoulder bag if I try to adjust it to fit in my shoulders. And I love the TOMS print in here. I actually love this one, wearing it as a cross body, so I can be hands-free if I want to. I really love canvas totes. I have a couple other totes that I have. I have one from Hollister, and I have another one from Victoria's Secret. And that one we use a lot when we go travel, and we go to the beach and stuff like that. So I mostly just use those when I travel to the Philippines. So this is an addition to the totes and the canvases that I have for when we travel to the Philippines. This was actually on sale. Believe it or not, I bought this one for $4. You're probably wondering how I bought this tote for $4, considering this was a little pricey, but it was on sale for $14. And I received, I don't know why, maybe because I bought a lot of stuff from TOMS since. I received an email and they gave me a $10 gift card. Wasn't sure why, but I used it to buy this one, so I ended up just paying $4 for this tote. So yeah, that is it, guys. I am beyond excited to go to the Philippines. My kids are excited, my husband's very excited. We love it there, and my dad's coming with us to visit family, so we are so excited. We've got everything planned out to where we're going, what we're gonna do, what foods we're gonna eat and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully I can bring you guys to some of the places that we're gonna be going, and I'm definitely sharing you guys the beautiful places that we're gonna visit in the Philippines. So until next time, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!